Hello, what's up? I'm back with another video. It is typical Phantom 11 here, and I know I haven't made a video in a long time, but you know what I'm saying, I kind of quit YouTube for a minute, and I was like, you know what, forget it, man. I'm not gonna do all this grind, but now I'm back, and I'm ready to grind, and I'm ready to put out something new, you know what I'm saying, and I'm ready, and it's all cool and everything. So what I'm gonna show you is not how to make something, but I'm gonna show you, well, I could tell you how to make it, to be honest, because it's pretty much self-explanatory. But today I'm gonna be showing you off my air cooker thing. Alright, so as you can see here, we have our food dehydrator. Now I got the name down, but now we got a food dehydrator here. So as you can see, well, we're gonna start off, as you can see here, with how it's really built. So I just got a box, a random box, and this is for a waffle maker, but I just got a random box, you know what I'm saying, for it. And what I did was, it took me a while, but I got some aluminum foil and I lined the whole box with aluminum foil around the whole thing. And why did I do that? Because the light bulb, as you can notice, is right there. So when the light bulb turns on, all the heat from the light bulb, if you ever touch a light bulb after it's been on for a while, all that heat, you feel the heat, you touch it and you burn yourself. So all the heat will be bounced around by the aluminum foil and hit the food. So what it will do is warm the air down here. The hot air will rise into here, and it will let the hot air go out as well up here if you really wanted to, like, kind of slow cook. But if you don't want to, you could just always cover them up. And what I got down there is a fan. So all the cool air can come in here, and then the air could be heated by the light bulb, and then the heat rises up, and then once the heat rises up, it goes out. Or if you keep it on top, it goes in there, and then it cools down, it drops down if you just put it on top of here. But the aluminum foil is to reflect all the heat and the light to go onto the food and dry it out. Now, as you can see here, I got some hooks from a hanger. I could have really done this better, but I wanted to make it in like a one-day basis, so I didn't really like plan it out really. I just got some coat hangers and I just put on here to line it up. It's not really stable, but you can really put, like, you really want to put metal things on here. And unlike me, do not put hot glue on there unless you're, well, I mean, you can, but it's not as great, because then it's gonna start, if this gets too hot or too warm, it's gonna start melting the hot glue. But it does hold up nicely for a while, because I did it for like a whole hour or two, and the hot glue is barely even getting melted, so it's all right. But you want to line it up with metal poles here, and should put another one back there. But as I said, I did in like limited time. So yeah, so what you pretty much need is aluminum foil, a box, align the box with aluminum foil, and then cut a hole for the light bulb, and cut a small slot for the fan. Now back here, as you can see here, I just put the light bulb inside, and then I screwed the light bulb into this part right here. I just put it up to here and then just screwed it in, so it's tightly on. And then back here is where the fan is. I got this out of a Chromebook that stopped working, so I just put it in there and then hot glued it in there. It's perfect. It works, even though it's close to the light bulb, it still works because the cool air blowing from the fan. And you just put it back there, and if I put it together, you could probably hear it, but it blows all the air into there. And these are the holes at the top that you can make so that hot air can rise out and all that. But you can cover it up or not do that if you don't want to. You don't really have to, I guess. But yeah, that's really it. You got it all right here. All you have to do is line it up with aluminum foil throughout the whole thing. And what I did, make sure you put paper clips. Make sure you put it together with paper clips, because if you don't and you just put tape, it might melt the tape. Well, I didn't want it melting the tape or doing stuff like that, so I I was pretty safe about it, except for like these pull parts. And I put some paper clips into the thing. I stapled it in. I mean, not paper clips. I put staples into the thing. I stapled it all in, and then yeah, lined them all up. It took some time, but it's worth it at the end. As you can see from the thumbnail, it works perfectly fine. It dried up the grapes, and yeah, that's it. And I'll see you guys later.